All right, so right now what we got going on is we have this storage compartment right here underneath the screen, and we also have this extra storage compartment here around the center console, charging dock, and cup holder. And we have the bottom compartment right there with extra cup holders and a little trash can bin. So that is what I got right now going on all in the front, and as useful as it is, it's a little bit cluttery. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and kind of combine all of this and make it look nicer with this next accessory that I got coming up. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and review this aisle central storage box from Tesla Vix. Now, Tesla Vix is a relatively new company, and they have some nice premium accessories for your Teslas and Starlink. So without further ado, this is the center console for the Cybertruck. I know it says aisle central storage box, but it's that nice center console that a lot of brands put out. Now, this is priced relatively competitive amongst the other brands. So without further ado, let's see if Tesla Vix has what it takes for you to go ahead and pick this up for yourself. All right, so here we have everything unpacked from the box that it came with. Everything came packed very good. Everything came individually wrapped, which was good. Just a lot of trash. But let's go ahead and start with this compartment right here. So you're gonna have this compartment right here. This is a little slide trash can compartment. Now you do have these mats in here. You do have to peel this off, and then that just exposes the sticky, and it makes for a better hold on these mats inside those compartments. You do have 3 of them. I don't know if this is a trash can bin or a little storage thing. That one comes with 1. And the other one is this one right here. As you can see, this one's the other one. This is the top portion of it. This is the other one right here that comes with it. And the cup holder and the sides. Now, everything is made out of ABS material, which is good. These are the sides. I kind of wish, like anything that's exposed that you can see from the other side, I wish they had like a filler plate just to make it look a little bit more solid. You do have a little bit of defects right here. Oh no, you're not gonna see that. That's just the thing. But ultimately, this thing looks pretty good. Once we get everything all assembled and everything, I think it's gonna feel very solid and it's gonna look super cool inside the Cybertruck. But you also get the screwdriver and the screws needed to put everything together. The assembly instructions have pictures and everything and seem relatively simple. As you can see, the installation manual right there. Everything looks very simple. So let's go ahead and install this and see how long it takes us. Okay, these are labeled in the instructions, but not on the individual parts. This is A right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place A on here like that. Then we're going to go ahead and press B. Place B inside like that. And C is the cup holder right here. And this is just going to go like so. Like that. So everything's assembled. This is A, B, and C. This goes back like that, giving you nice access right there. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Okay, so here we have D, and we got to kind of put this on the side right there and kind of screw this in place. Let's see if we can maneuver this around without me tipping over the... Well, that was pretty simple. There we go. So now we have to fasten this in place with the provided screws. I would leave them a little bit loose just in case you need to maneuver this a little bit for the other one. But everything aligns perfectly. That was easy. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is E, which is this. And we this one's a little bit tricky because we kind of got to hold it and screw it while we're holding it. So this is gonna go, I believe, like so. And then it goes in like that, and we kind of gotta hold it. I think it goes in like that, or does it go like this? No, it doesn't go like this. It should go like this. Okay. That's inserted there. Let's move on to the next step. So that's E. Wasn't too hard to do, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, we're back on this side. We're gonna go ahead and install the other side. Let's go ahead and move this all the way like that. Get this in here like this. Okay, this is the final part right here. And this is gonna go in like so. Kind of sit here like this. So this is gonna go in like so. Kind of clip in there like this. And then you can go ahead and start putting in the screws here on this other side. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in these screws to start holding this nicely in place. Okay, ultimately, I love the way this is looking. A little bit of fitment issues like this right here. I don't know that. I've seen it on other videos right here. So you do get a little gap like that. Maybe you can kind of squeeze it up more. I don't know why we get that gap, but it's just right there. But ultimately, very solid center console right there. It's looking very, very good. It looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Bam, let me go on the other side to show you a better view. This is the driver's side, looking absolutely fantastic. You see how this is a little bit more closer than the other one? Maybe I'll loosen it up a little bit and start from there. But this is absolutely looking fantastic. You got storage compartment back here. You have storage compartment right here. Everything else is the same. Storage compartment down here. Everything, this goes back. Storage compartment down here. I mean, you can still place a bag or something on top of here. You can place a bag in here, cup holders or anything. Boom. This absolutely is looking fantastic. Can't wait to use this. Look at that from the front. Now I do have the tilt on this, and it works absolutely fantastic. So this is the rotating bracket for the Cybertruck, and it works absolutely fantastic. Now you do have extra storage here. Everything, dude, everything is looking good. I only wish, my only negative thing about this, I mean, it feels solid. A little bit of fitment issues, but this could be because of me, not necessarily of this. I wish, like these right here, you know how you can see this, I wish it was like a solid piece there. You can put some covers or something just to make it feel and look a little bit more premium. But other than that, this is looking absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love the way this thing looks and functions. Look at that. Look at all this room you have on here. Look at the space you have. This absolutely is what the Cybertruck should have came with, but it did not. And Tesla Vix has it for you in the link provided in the description of this video. All right, guys, there you have it. This is the Tesla Vix center console for the Cybertruck. Now, installation was super simple. I mean, it's not that hard. It took less than 30 minutes. I did struggle a little bit just to kind of align this, but that could have been my fault. You might be better at that than I am, but it absolutely looks amazing, and it just feels premium. It feels solid. Don't let the comments and all that you see saying that it's cheap or it's priced too high. I think honestly this thing is worth the money. It feels absolutely fantastic. If you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself, the link will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding this whatsoever, let me know. I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities in the comment section below. Now, I like this so much that if we get this video to 1,000 likes and you leave a comment, I'm going to pick one lucky subscriber from the comment section, and I'm going to go ahead and send them one of these myself. I'm going to purchase this with my own money and send it to you. All you got to do is like the video and leave a comment, and that will be a giveaway if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.